Hi everybody, this is Shauna with Love Meets Cake. Ma'am, sir, you over there trying to keep it a secret, but I know why you clicked on this video. You know why you clicked on this video. You trying to save some money on some treats. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own Rice Krispie Pops. These are so easy to do, baby. Once I show you the technique, you're going to want to be treat master at all your parties. So first, let's pour in our royal blue candy melts into our bowl. We have our vegetable shortening in order to thin out our chocolate. Gold sprinkles for the decoration. Silicone molds of king crowns. And a silicone mold of letters. And for both of those molds, I'm going to include the link in the description bar of where you can find those online. For the gold detailing, we're going to use cake highlighter dust in gold, yellow candy melts or white candy melts is fine, popsicle sticks. And if you're going to individually wrap your Rice Krispie treats, you'll want to Okay, so let's go ahead and spoon in 2 spoons of the vegetable shortening into our chocolate, and we'll put it in the microwave and melt on 30-second increments until our chocolate is all the way melted and smooth. Next, we're going to take our Rice Krispie treats, put those on the popsicle sticks and dip in our chocolate. Shake off that excess chocolate and then lay down on the parchment paper. The Rice Krispie treats, you can make yours yourself and cut out rectangles, or you can buy the Kellogg's Rice Krispie treats. Next, we are going to make sure that our Rice Krispie treats are all the way dry, and we're going to take some chocolate and put in a Ziploc baggie or a piping bag. Take some scissors and cut off just a little bit of the ends, and we are going to drizzle on diagonal chocolate lines onto the Rice Krispie treats, and then we're going to sprinkle on our gold sprinkles. Now just make sure before you drizzle this chocolate on, make sure that your Rice Krispie treats are all the way dry. Otherwise, when you sprinkle on your sprinkles, they're going to stick to the whole entire Rice Krispie treat, and you do not want that. Next, we are going to take our food brush and we are going to brush the Rice Krispie treats so we're getting off the extra sprinkles. Next, we're going to take our yellow candy melts or our white candy melts, either one, and we're going to put into a bowl and microwave that until our chocolate is all the way melted. And then we're going to pour that into a Ziploc baggie or a piping bag. Take some scissors, snip off the end, and then we are going to squirt in chocolate into the mold so it fills the crown all the way. And then whatever letter you're going to be using, I'm using a K this time. And then once that's filled, pop that in the refrigerator for a few minutes so it can get nice and cold there. And then you see me popping it out, and it is a perfect little chocolate crown. Next, what I'm doing is taking a little bit of chocolate, putting it at the bottom of the letters and the bottom of the crown, and sticking it to the popsicle, sticking it to the Rice Krispie pop that way. Look how cute that is. There's so many things you can do once you invest in silicone molds. I have so many of them. The only thing about this part is that if you have a lot of these Rice Krispie pops, you're going to have to spend a lot of time filling in your letters and your crowns and then putting them in the refrigerator and going back and forth with this if you have a lot of them. I had actually 3 dozen of these to do, so it did take me about 3 hours to complete these. Next, I'm going to take my gold highlighter dust, and as you have seen me do in previous videos, I'm mixing either a little bit of lemon extract or a little bit of alcohol into the dust so it turns into a paint. Now, just an FYI, the alcohol does evaporate out, so this is totally safe for kids if you use alcohol, but like I said, an alternative is lemon extract. I told y'all it was gonna be easy peasy. Look at the gloriousness, y'all. Look at the gloriousness, y'all. The gloriousness. Alright, now that you guys know how to make Rice Krispie Pops, I command you to go forth into the world and make beautiful, glorious Rice Krispie Pops!